Okay, you guys, so we're back, and I got this cup, and it's empty, and this is where a lot of the guys come to play soccer when they can, but, oh shit, bro, it's too hot. It's literally too hot to be beefing. Please don't wake up the gang. It's like 10 of them. It's too hot. I don't want no smoke. I like the dogs though. Wild dogs usually be vibing. They usually be vibing, but this pack right here, they've been bullying people. And I've been witnessing it, and I wake up and I see them bully people every day. And it's like, bro, this is my first time over here. I had to check out the Buddha temple. And now I'm about to make it back to this apartment in one piece. Look how, and this is just the ones that are out. Bro. Now, normally when there's one or two, they run from you. But when there's a whole group, they... Yo, he's close as fuck. Hey! What the f? Had to run him off, y'all. He was too buff, too big. Y'all seen them teeth? Bro, I seen them teeth and I said, hey, the fight or flight kicked in. Now again, I really don't bully or mess with the dogs, and the dogs are actually cool individually, but this pack, when there's a pack, they run they ones, and I think I just showed him who Mufasa was. Yeah. Cause yeah, bro, he was mad close. You see me walking down the stairs, but as he seen me walking down the stairs, it may have looked like I was inferior to him. And I don't know everything about dogs, but you know, if you run, they'll chase. So if in those situations we're not freaking running, how the freak do I get out of this shit? Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I'm glad we made it out of that. Legs are shivering. Yeah, that could have escalated very, very quickly. There's no specific thing I know to do in that situation. All I know is I can remain not a threat, but still like uphold my ground, and just don't be a victim. Don't be a victim. When you're around the packs, you know, when you're around the 1 and 2s and they're around a whole bunch of humans, oh, they're big chillin', because they know what zone they in. But that particular park, whew. Okay. Welcome to Thailand, baby. Let's see what's next.